Good afternoon, Freedom. I'm Michaela Jordan.
And I'm Shane McGowan. Welcome to The Beat. The Travel Club is sponsoring a Freedom Spiritwear fundraiser with proceeds benefiting the students traveling to Italy in 2027. All orders and payments are done online. Visit the Tony T site or scan the QR codes on the TV screens in the lobby or cafeteria and place your order now through Friday. All orders will be available for pickup the second week of December.
On November 6th, Dr. Wargo and the Physics Club students hosted the annual Fall Fest, where they held various activities to engage middle school participants. The Beat's Colton Blank had the opportunity to catch up with the members of Physics Club to see what goes on in the Fall Fest. Take a look.
I'm here in the Science Hall, where Wargo is helped by club officers to set up for Fall Fest. Fall Fest is a fun and innovative way that gets students excited about science. It also allows the 6th graders to learn what science really means. Year after year, Fall Fest brings Physics Club students and middle school students together to learn the ins and outs of science and what it means to conduct scientific research properly.
I think the benefits of Fall Fest is teaching the middle schoolers of physics and what is science. Like, it gives them an experience of making a claim, making data charts, making graphs. So when they come up to the high school and if they take physics in the future, they know how to start a long term. And it can show them how science isn't you can't predict it. There's no scientific formula. You can't it will go in a straight linear line. You'll think of an idea, you'll make a claim. Claim doesn't work. You make another claim. That claim still doesn't work. And it gives them a bit of how science and just physics actually works, or an idea how it is.
A popular event among students is the pumpkin racing competition. Students were tasked with designing cars out of pumpkins and racing them down a long ramp. The annual Fall Fest wrapped up with the demonstration of a full-size trebuchet. This year, Physics Club rebuilt the trebuchet and loaded it with pumpkins and soda bottles, and sent them flying across the yard. The large-scale experiment showcases the same principles the middle schoolers practiced earlier, but on a much bigger scale in a more exciting way.
Working in the Physics Club and running the trebuchet with the middle school students and being their teacher for a day or two is really empowering for these students. It's a stepping stone to show them what it's like to be in a leadership role. An ancillary benefit to all of this is that we have our 6th graders who are now in touch with high school students who are going to be mentoring them with their long-term projects. And we're going to be having a science conference at Penn State Beaver this year, so it's a really, really exciting year for our 10th.
As Fall Fest comes to an end, students are anticipating what happens next for Physics Club. Students are able to look forward to the next big thing that they do, which is their long terms at Beaver County. For Bulldog Beat, I'm Colton Blank.
Thanks, Colton. Fall Fest continues to encourage younger students to participate in experimenting with hands-on science and the physics education before entering high school.
Attention Ski Club members, all fundraising order forms are due to Ms. Homa by December 4th. And now, over to Caden and Alyssa with your sports.
Thanks, Shane. The wrestling team is heading to Seneca Valley today for their first scrimmage of the season. Action gets underway at 3:30.
And tonight, the girls basketball team heads to Brownville to scrimmage the Falcons. Tip-off is set for 6 o'clock. For Bulldog Beat Sports, I'm Caden Behringer.
And I'm Alyssa Bear. Now back to Michaela and Shane.
Thanks, Alyssa. NHS is sponsoring a community food drive December 1st through the 5th and are asking you to donate non-perishable food items. The PLT that donates the most food will win a pizza party. Check out the flyers around the building for more information.
And finally, we'd like to wish a happy birthday today to Helena Bewley and Alyssa Forrest. That's all for us here at The Beat. For Alyssa Bear and Caden Behringer, I'm Michaela Jordan.
And I'm Shane McGowan. We'll leave you with a list of staff and students who are celebrating birthdays over break. Have a happy Thanksgiving, everyone.